Hello guys, welcome back to Charts with Venu. Uh, uh, Today I want to show you solar industry stock because the chart has formed a very good interesting setup. If you look at the price action, the stock was already in a strong uptrend. You guys can able to see, and I kept it on a weekly time frame. Yeah, the stock it's on a strong uptrend, guys. After that strong move, instead of correcting heavily, it started cooling off and consolidating, just cooling off, consolidating again. It started moving again. It started cooling off again. It started consolidating. So the price is getting squeezed now in between these two trend lines, where I can say it's a triangle pattern. So basically we have a triangle formation here. What I wanted to say here, so, and this is what I like about the setup. The consolidation is happening after a strong move, and it has given a very good breakout. I'm not looking at this stage, I'm looking at the context of the previous trend, where I'm going to show it here. Wait. Yeah, I'm looking at yeah, this is the previous trend. Let me show you. Yeah, this is the previous trend of this stock. Uh, Whenever it started consolidating, and it will give a, yeah, it just consolidated and given a very good breakout, and it started moving. And the same thing happened here, here, and here. Yeah, you guys also will get the same kind of price action setups only if you guys can able to do the charting, back testing, do index correlation kind of analysis. And if you spend, you have to spend a lot of time in the market if you want to make money in the market. It's not that easy in this kind of a choppy markets and in sideways market. Whether the market is in the sideways, it's not that easy to find to find the stocks like this and to trade, or any investment kind of analysis. I mean, if you want to do those kind of stuff and all, you guys need to spend a lot of time, right? But I don't think no one is no one is putting their effort on the stocks, and they just wanted to trade every day. And every morning they once sit in front of the system and they just see any one big candle, they just jump into the trade, and they will lose money in the market. So I'm not here to give you guys to advise. I'm just saying do your homework so that you guys can able to make your own decisions in the market. You guys will understand the stock, to understand its characteristics, how the stock it behaves once it breakouts, or once it break down, how it behaves in every situation. If the setup is proper, how the stock behaves. And if you draw any mediocre patterns and you guys just try to blame the stock or the index, it's like blaming yourself only in the market. Okay, apart from this, now here we have a breakout. Let me show you in daily time frame. It's a very good breakout, and let me switch into 2 hours time frame. This stock has given uh, very good consolidation, given a breakout and a strong move. Yeah, I think stock will give you very good returns in coming days. And it I don't think it will move like this on coming, today onward. Yeah, it may start cooling off or retesting from this trend line, and it can move like this, or it can move from here and do consolidation kind of thing here, and it can move, or else it can behave like in sideways trend also. Anything can happen from this stock, but you guys have to ready to accept everything in this trade. For me, the important thing is not simply the triangle breakout and buy. The most important thing is where my invalidation, and where is my risk, and I do I check all these things in the stock. If the stock sustains above the breakout structure, the setup remains interesting, and it looks even more bullish. The breakout backs below this important trend line or something that happens, you guys can ignore the trade. But I don't think it will happen in this stock. um, the setup is very simple. On a strong uptrend, it just cooled off and just started consolidating, and it formed a triangle pattern, and it has given a very good breakout. This is exactly the kind of projection I like to study, guys. I take only few trades with a strong conviction rather than taking random entries and taking trades in multiple stocks, multiple options. Yeah, I don't prefer those kind of things. If I take one trade or 3 to 4 trades in a week, it should be a solid trade. I don't trade a single day 4 to 5 trades. Or in a month, if it is like 22, 23 trading days, everyone interested to trade all the days. But I'm not that kind of guy in the market. Okay, so this is exactly the kind of projection I like to study. And yeah, I'm not giving any buy or sell call here. Do your own analysis, manage your risk, and don't blindly chase the breakout. And one more thing, I just wanted to make an analysis on the defense sector also, because it's a defense stock. The solar industries, the stock which I was talking about so far, it's a defense stock, solar industries. This is the index. Yeah, after many months, I think 1 or 2 years, it's just moving in sideways. And in this year, April, it's just given a breakout and it's moved, and once again, it's just consolidated and it has moved, and once again it formed a falling channel pattern and consolidated in this channel and given a breakout, and it's done its retest also here, and I think it will start moving from here. Yeah, this one index that it looks quite bullish, comparing to all other indices. Defense looks very bullish, so please have a look into this sector and try to utilize these setups. And yeah, these setups and this kind of bullishness will get once in a while, and you guys need to find out and utilize these setups and the stocks which are in this defense index. Try to find out very good setups and start trying to utilize those setups, and I hope you guys will make a decent amount of money. If you guys like this kind of videos, so please do like, subscribe, and support me so that I can able to bring more interesting kind of price action setups and kind of analysis videos, so that I can able to bring out to you guys. Yeah, that's all, guys. Yeah, please do your homework, and that's all I can say. Yeah, thank you, and see you in the next video. Thank you so much.